this tutorial, I will show you how to pay for Mr. Price account online. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now you're going to go to Mr. Price website, which is mrp.com. Now once on the Mr. Price website, you can scroll down. So you have to scroll down on this website here. And then you should see here on Mr. Price Money. So what you need to do, just select here on Pay My Account. So if you select Pay My Account, it will take you to this page here, which it will show you 6 easy ways to pay for Mr. Price account. Now, the first one, of course, is online. The second method is on the app. Other methods you can use to pay is by cell phone, at any Mr. Price store, Zapper or Snap to Pay, and at an ATM or via EFT. Now, I'll show you on how to pay for Mr. Price account online. Now, if you're on the mrp.com website, which is Mr. Price website, make sure to sign in or register if you don't have an account. Now, after signing into your account, what you need to do, it will look like this. So select on your profile here and then select on dashboard. Now on the dashboard, scroll down, make sure your account is linked. As you can see right now, my account is not linked. As they say here, do you have a Mr. Price Money account? But it isn't showing here. All you have got to do is link your account. So they say all you've got to do is link your account. You have to select here, link account. If you don't have Mr. Price Money, you'll have to apply now here. Now, after linking your account or after applying now, if you don't have Mr. Price Money account, then select here on payment options. And then you should see an option to pay from this section. But only do this if your account is already linked. You'll have to link your account by selecting link account. Or if you don't have Mr. Price Money account, make sure to apply now here. After linking your account, then you can select here payment options, and then you can see an option to pay from this section here. Or you can use other methods to pay, such as on the app, by cell phone, where they say pay straight from your phone by dialing *120*410# and you follow the prompts. Or you can pay at any Mr. Price store, or through Zapper or Snap to Pay, and at an ATM or via EFT. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.